Hi, friends. My name is Sakina, and I'm here to talk about depression today. So, let us see what is depression. Now, depression is having that sad, sinking feeling inside of you, which uh, which is not due to a particular reason. Means it's not. It might be related to a particular reason, but it is not only related to that. And you have this feeling, this sad feeling inside of you, even when everything around you is fine, your life is going fine, everything around you is normal, it's good, and people would feel that there would not be any particular reason for you to be sad, but still you feel sad. And this feeling of sadness does not is not only for a particular period of time, that it is for a finite time. It can last for months, years, and sometimes people with depression, they don't even know that they are having depression. Also, the different things that we could make out that this person is suffering from depression is from not being able to get out of bed, not being able to face the day with enthusiasm, and feeling sad for no particular reason, you know, having that vacant, empty feeling inside of you, um, feeling lost, deeply lost, not being having a sense of purpose in your life. All these are signs of depression. Even the simplest of tasks are difficult for people with depression to do, to perform such minimum, the basic tasks of the day. So, but here's, having said that, here's what you can do for someone who is suffering from depression. Number one, be gentle with us. The people with depression are like babies. They do not know what is going on with them, and they're not able to deal with their emotions. So, during these times, we expect the people around us to be very, very gentle and calm with us. Number two, please be patient, because we take time to figure things out, we take longer time to perform certain tasks. As I said earlier, that even the smallest of tasks are very difficult for us. So just be patient with us. Also, be kind, because we are not doing anything on purpose to hurt someone by canceling the plans at the last moment. We do not mean to hurt anyone. In fact, we would be the persons who would not hurt anyone. But there are certain things that we are dealing at the moment which are too overwhelming for us, and so we need to cancel the plans. So at such moments, please be kind with us. Point number four, just be there. Your presence really, really matters for us. Your support is really helpful at such times when we are having a difficult day. So we expect you to be around us. Point number five is that give us space, because sometimes what happens is that we need our time, we need to be alone, we need we don't want to interact with anyone, we don't want to explain things to people, because sometimes we ourselves don't know how to explain things, what's exactly going on with us. So please, please give us the space that we need. And number six, most important, all people with depression will agree on this, that people around them who love them, how much they matter to them. So, point number six is that don't ever stop loving us. Your love gives us the strength to pass another heavy, burdened day, which would be very difficult otherwise without your love and support. So, yeah, that's the number. And last but not the least, a message for my depression warriors. Warriors, because yeah, it's not easy to be at war with our own selves, and carry out the whole day, and again going for another day tomorrow, for with the same symptoms, with the same difficulties every day. So yes, first of all, you are loved and you matter, and you're not alone. So, even in this difficult time, I would just want to tell you that just hang in there, and things will change probably in the future. I can't say, I can't promise how much time it will take to get better, and if it will be sooner or it will take more time. But yes, I do know for sure that things will be better soon, and this I'm talking from my personal experience. So you have done so much, you have been through so much, and I expect you to just be a little bit more patient with yourself. Take care of yourself, because you are loved and you are cherished. And know that even in this darkness you are not alone. So take care of yourself, and thank you so much for watching my video. And if you have any questions, do let us know in the comment section below. And also let us know if it was helpful for you or not. And till then, see you again. Bye.